Understanding, on the same page. A guide to effective communication. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, on the same page. This idiom is widely used in both personal and professional contexts, but what does it really mean? Understanding this phrase can greatly improve your communication skills, and that's exactly what we'll explore in this video. So, let's get started. On the same page means to have a mutual understanding or agreement on a topic, situation, or plan. It's like when two or more people are reading the same page of a book. They're looking at the same words and understanding the same content. In conversations, when we say we are on the same page, it means we share the same understanding or perspective about something. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday conversations and professional settings. 1. In meetings, before we conclude, let's make sure we're all on the same page about the deadlines for this project. 2. In personal relationships, I'm glad we had this talk. It feels like we're finally on the same page about our future plans. 3. In education, after reviewing the syllabus together, the teacher and students were on the same page regarding the course requirements. These examples show that being on the same page is crucial for effective communication and collaboration. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but using it correctly is another. Here are a few tips. Use it when you want to confirm mutual understanding. After discussing something important, you might say, "Are we on the same page?" Use it to express agreement. When you find that someone shares your views, you could comment, "It's great we're on the same page." Being on the same page fosters harmony, reduces misunderstandings, and ensures that everyone involved is working towards a common goal. It's a simple phrase that holds the key to effective communication, whether you're discussing a project at work, making plans with friends, or resolving issues in personal relationships. Understanding and using the phrase, on the same page, can significantly enhance your communication skills in English. It's a powerful way to express mutual understanding and agreement, which are essential in all forms of communication. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Until next time, happy learning, and remember to keep practicing your English.